So now we can open the Autobug Home app and choose our fan and we can turn it on. That's all. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we will see how to connect our Autobug Smart Fan to the Autobug Home app. So let's check it out. I have been using this Autobug fan for a long time. This is the Autobug Renaissance Smart Plus fan. The fan looks good, love the design and color, but the airflow is not really that great. Still we have no problems overall. It really comes handy to control our fan using the Autobug remote or the app during night time. We can also control our fan using our smartphone's IR remote function. So in this video, we will see the steps to add our fan to the Autobug Home app. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. First, we have to install this on our smartphone. Autobug Home app is available for both Android and iOS device like iPhone. Then we have to open the app and we will get a page like this. Here we can sign up and do all the usual processes. I think we can also do this using the guest account. We can choose the continue without login, but it will have limited features, so we can avoid that. So I'm going to use the standard email address and password sign up method. So we have to enter our email here. So after entering the email and the password, we can choose the continue option here. So we have to enter our OTP for the email address. So after entering the OTP, we can choose verify OTP option. Successful. And now here we can personalize our profile. We can choose something which matches us. Maybe I look like this. Continue. So we can enter a name for this. I'll just enter device bar. Choose continue now. Sign up complete. So on this page, we can create a new smart home, or we can join an existing smart home, or we can skip this. I'll choose the first option. I'll just name this home. Create. That's all. Now we can select this profile avatar icon on the bottom navigation bar. We can select this one and we can choose the plus option to add our first Autobug smart device. Before that, we have to make sure our Bluetooth is on. Then we can choose the plus icon. It will scan for available Autobug smart devices. We can see our Autobug smart fan here. So we can choose the connect option here. Pairing with device. Okay, here we can choose which model we have. I think we have Renaissance Plus only. I'll choose this and continue. Okay, we have this golden oak wood color. Next. Okay, fan name, living room. I'll choose master bedroom. Now we have to choose the continue option here. Okay, only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks are supported. This is the one which gives us more range. So they are supporting this only. And we have to enter the Wi-Fi password and choose continue. Adding the device. It may take some time. Okay, that's all added. We can see our smart fan here. So yeah, that's all we have to do. So now we can open the Autobug Home app and choose our fan and we can turn it on. That's all. We can also do all the other functions. We can set the timer, sleep mode. We can also disable or enable this LED light at the top. We can do all these functions. If your Autobug smart fan is already connected with another account, then we have to either reset the fan or the account. So let's see what functions they have for the smart fan on the Autobug Home app. We can see our fan picture here, Wi-Fi connected. We can open this and this is the remote function. We can choose this to set the timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, all these things. We can also turn on and turn off the LED light, that blue color ring light, and we can also set the sleep mode here. Okay, we can turn this off. And we can go to this menu to edit the device, edit Wi-Fi details, share this device maybe with another account. We can also delete this device if we are no longer using this. We can also view the analytics. Bill saved. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, all these things are here. These are the steps to add our Automberg fan to the Automberg Home mobile app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.